In this video, I'll show you how to show or hide the Contextual Task Bar in Adobe Photoshop. The Contextual Task Bar is the floating toolbar that appears near your selection or active tool and suggests helpful quick actions like remove background, select subject, and even generative fill. For many users, this feature speeds up editing a lot, but for others, it can sometimes get in the way while working. The good news is that Photoshop gives you full control over it, and you can easily show it, hide it, or restore it if it disappears. I'm going to walk you through 3 simple methods so you always know how to manage it. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick Photoshop tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first and easiest way to show or hide the contextual taskbar is directly from the window menu. Start by opening Adobe Photoshop. Once Photoshop is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Window. This menu controls which panels and tools are currently visible in your workspace. Inside the window menu, scroll down until you see the option called Contextual Task Bar. If the option has a check mark next to it, that means the contextual taskbar is currently visible on your screen. If you click it while the check mark is active, Photoshop will hide the contextual taskbar instantly. If the option does not have a check mark, that means the bar is currently hidden. Simply click Contextual Taskbar and Photoshop will immediately show it again. This is the fastest way to toggle the bar on or off whenever you need it. Now let's look at the second method, which works when the contextual taskbar is already visible on your screen. When the bar appears during your editing session, look at the right side of the contextual taskbar and you'll see a 3 dots icon. Click on those 3 dots to open additional options for the bar. In the menu that appears, choose the option called Hide Bar. As soon as you click it, the contextual taskbar will disappear from your workspace. If you later decide you want it back, just return to the top menu, go to Window, and click Contextual Taskbar again to enable it. Now let's cover a third situation that sometimes confuses users. Occasionally, the contextual taskbar seems to disappear completely, especially after changing workspace layouts or experimenting with panel arrangements. If that happens, the easiest fix is to reset your workspace. Go to the top menu and click Window, then move down to Workspace. From the Workspace list, choose Reset Essentials. This restores Photoshop's default layout and usually brings the contextual taskbar back automatically. One extra helpful tip is that the contextual taskbar is completely movable. If it appears in a spot that blocks your canvas or tools, simply click and drag the bar to another location on your screen. This lets you keep the quick actions available without interrupting your workflow. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly show, hide, and restore the contextual taskbar in Photoshop whenever you need it. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.